gonna go ahead and take this long box and we are going to transform this monstrosity. 3, 2, 1. Oh, does that look better? These blackout blinds are absolutely phenomenal. So this is what it looked like before. So let's hop right into the installation of these roller blinds. Now, first comes with all the components, and you can see that I do recommend drilling a pilot hole first. And then once you have the bracket up, then you are going to go ahead and put the 2 screws in. We try to mount it as close as possible to the window. And then you're gonna clip one side in like so. And then you're gonna go to the other side and clip that side in. Then you're going to remove the small little piece of tape that keeps it all rolled up, remove some other safety things that really aren't really necessary between you and me, and that pretty much is it. Now we're gonna go ahead and over to the other side, and you can see that this is slightly different. In this particular case, it was a bit more difficult to get this in because, well, the actual roller pull chain is on the left-hand side. So if that's the case, just screw one screw in, and then you can put the other screw in using a manual screwdriver. And so this is it. The finished product. These blackout blinds are absolutely amazing, super easy to install.